Question number 3 gives us a triangle with an indented base that's laid onto its side. What we want to do with this triangle is fill in all of the things that they give us. So they told us that x is 30, so that's going right there. Then they're telling us that z is 40, and so we have two z's right here, 40 and 40. And then the question is asking us, what is the value of a? So what we want to realize here is that they are trying to trick us by giving us this wacky looking triangle. We don't want to get fooled, so all you need to do is draw a dotted line connecting those 2 points, and now we have ourselves our own little triangle down here. If we think about this big triangle as a normal triangle with a flat bottom, we know that all the angles in a triangle have to add up to 180. We already know that this vertex is 30, and then these angles, which represent the 40, and then that little missing portion between that line and our flat line, that we're just going to call x. And then we'll have the same thing on the other side, so that would be 2x. So if we know that 30 plus 2x equals 180, we'll subtract 30 from both sides, and now we get 2x equals 150, so x equals 75. However, the answer is not 75 because they don't want to know what these angles are. So if we redraw this bottom, we have this looking like that, and then this over here. So if this whole thing is 75 and this inside portion is 40, that means this guy over here in that bottom triangle is 35. Same thing over here. So now if we want to solve for a, we now have 35 and 35 add up to 70, plus a is going to equal 180. So if you subtract that 70 from both sides, you're now left with a equals 110, and that is going to be answer choice E.